Welcome to the project demonstration of energy meter data logging into the PC using wireless zigbee and MATLAB. So in this project we are logging the information of this energy meter which is used to measure the consumed kilowatt hour readings by this load. So here we are representing this load as a home appliance, and inside this home directly the power will be getting from this energy meter outputs. The so-called calculated energy meter readings in kWh along with the bill details will be calculated by our microcontroller and display the same data locally on this LCD display, means in the house. And coming to the monitoring section, the same details will be sent to the PC through this zigbee transmitter section. The same information will be received by this zigbee receiver module, and which was given data input to this laptop, which is the PC, through this USB to TTL converter. Means the laptop will read the data of USB data, and the data will be displayed live data display on the panel, MATLAB panel, as well as same data will be stored into the notepad with date stamp here directly. So this is the previously tested data, so which consists of date and time along with energy in kWh readings along with billing details. So this is the tested values previously. Now if you want to get the fresh data, so just delete that and save. So now the old data got erased, and we'll check the live data. Coming to the hardware parts, so here we have interface the energy meter, which is used to measure the load status, how much of kWh consumed by this load, will be given as input to the microcontroller through this optocoupler. So whenever the load connected, this particular LED blinks, the blinking rate will define the kWh readings. The blinking rate is input to our microcontroller timer pin through this optocoupler. The optocoupler main purpose is to isolate the input and output, so that if any short circuit occurred inside this energy meter, only this IC will get damaged and there is no power source connected to this microcontroller, as it is optically isolated, so that we can protect the main brain of our system from this short circuit power supply. And the so-called status continuously monitored locally on the LCD display. And this one is a zigbee module interface to the B0, B1 and B2 to B7 LCD and A4 pin to the our optocoupler. So let us check with the demonstration. So before demonstration, the very first step is, in your laptop we need to install the MATLAB software, which is 2018 version preferable, and next install this PL2303 application. On successful installation of this application, while installation, if it asks you to update the .NET framework, please update the .NET framework. And on successful installation, at the end of the installation screen, it will ask you to insert USB to TTL converter hardware module, and then we can insert this. Now it is asking that please insert that. Now you insert on any one of your USB slots of the PC or laptop, and then after inserting that, right, now continue, and then next don't go with restart the PC. Right, so don't go with restart the PC, finish, don't restart that. And after this, and this was a very important step, right click on this PC, go to manage. If your version of the OS is to Windows 10 or above, then go to more options, there you get the manage option, and then after go to device manager section in the manage icon, right there, device manager. Just this is to get the port number, whether our USB to TTL connected properly or not. Now we can see my device got connected. There's a prolific USB to serial COM port is connected, the COM35. And now instead of showing the COM number 35, so it is showing like contact your seller or provider. Then if instead of showing the COM number, if there is any error occurred, now right click on that, update driver. If error shows, remember that instead of COM number. Now browse the computer and let me pick from a listed available drivers, and next there you need to select the 2008 version. That is very important. Okay, if its error comes, then only we need to downdate that, not update, downdate. Now you can get the COM number here properly. Right, as a COM35. After this, so we provided this code. Okay, just open this in the MATLAB. And once the code got opened in the MATLAB, we need to check some main important drivers, means whether the system opened the code in the respected directory or not. Right, it got open. Now check with this. So as we have provided this code, energy meter logger.m file, and click on that. Right, so now we need to enter the COM number which we got from this device manager. So the device manager shows the COM35 number, and now enter the COM35 over here. Okay, and next over here, these are two lines we need to change. So line number 15 and as well as COM line number 9. So these two changes we need to do properly. And after that, now on the power supply to the switch as well as to our load energy meter, connect these two and wait till the one reading got appear on this one. Now we can run this code. So just click on here, we'll get this option of run. So just click on the here run. Now it is running the code here. Wait till a GUI block will be opened, and which will show the energy consumed as well as the data will be logged to this energy log txt file. So it will take, and it's showing the busy over here. Okay, right, you can see that. Now the same readings which are coming on these units and the cost, and same here also displaying here. Okay, same updating over here. Okay, and that also login, we can see that. Now you can go to our folder, just open the text file which we already cleared previously. Right, okay, so now the data is uploading at the same time. So here we'll get the data logging feature for respected time, how much of energy consumed, along with the bill details wirelessly we can access, and the two log data as well as live data. This one is the live data we are going to measure. Thank you.